To create a YouTube short using CapCut on your PC, you have to follow the steps. First of all, open a CapCut application on your PC and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the main interface of CapCut, click on Create Project in the top to start a new project. And then click on Import in the top left corner of the screen to select the video you wish to use. Once you choose your video, drag it to the timeline at the bottom. Click on the video in the timeline to open the editing options. And to format your video as a YouTube short, locate the player option in the middle right of the screen. And now click on the ratio option in the bottom of the screen and select 9:16 ratio, which is ideal for YouTube shorts. This will adjust your video to the correct dimensions. And you can now resize or crop your video to focus on the desired part of the section you want your audience to see. When you're ready to export, ensure that the specific ratio remains 9:16, and then click on the export button that is highlighted in blue color in the top right corner. If you need to make edits, you can add stickers, effects, transitions, captions, and filters from the options available. And after making all the necessary adjustments, click on export that is highlighted in blue color in the bottom, and your video will be saved to your computer. So that's how you can create a YouTube short using CapCut on your PC. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.